Ever wish you could control every element of your AI art in real time? Well, now you can. Welcome to Blendbox. Creating with Blendbox is easy, no specialized prompting language needed. Just start with a simple concept like forest path as your background. Putting an object in our scene is as easy as, well, putting it there. Here we'll add a woman in a yellow sweater and place her on the path. And we don't have to think in order either. Let's add a modern skyscraper and drag that layer behind her. Next, we'll add a waterfall to make the image more dynamic. We'll move the woman over just a little bit to better suit this scene. We can fine-tune details as much as we'd like too. We'll add foggy clouds and adjust the size and angle until it's exactly the way we want it. And in Blendbox, you're free to change your mind at any time. Let's transform our modern skyscraper into an ancient temple without starting over. And object stickers, by the way, aren't just images. They're concepts that can be combined in satisfying ways. We can turn our woman into an adventurer simply by layering a military harness on top of her. But some concepts should apply to the whole image, so we'll add an effect layer to make the whole scene seem snowy. Now that's looking pretty good. With the composition itself done, let's see how it looks in different styles, or create our own to find the best possible look. With Blendbox, creativity is limitless and iterative. Refine and evolve without frustration. Blendbox. Don't just generate, create.